Meaning of guideway.
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 Guideway. Guideway refers to a dedicated path or track that guides the movement of a vehicle or object in a specific direction. These types of roadways are commonly used in transportation systems like trains, monorails, and roller coasters. They are designed to provide increased safety and efficiency by eliminating the need for complex steering mechanisms. The use of guideways can also help minimize energy consumption and reduce travel time. Overall, guideways can be an effective solution for improving transportation infrastructure and enhancing the overall user experience for passengers and commuters alike.